year 2005 phones are France. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Pradhan Nissan. Before going directly to the topic, I want to tell something about RBI. RBI is the Reserve Bank of India. It is the central bank which has the right to control the monetary policy and also the Indian currency. It is responsible for the production and supply of currency notes. Everything which is related to currency notes and policies will be handled by RBI. So now RBI has made a decision on 22nd January that they are going to ban the notes which are issued prior to 2005. So from my point of view, as RBI has decided this thing, basing that due on this election season, they can grab all the black money which is freeze at their places. They want the flow of money, like they want the development of economy. But I think this is a not right move, because RBI has stated that anybody who is bearing the notes prior to 2005 can exchange easily after 1st April with any bank. And if we exchange any currency which is prior to 2005, we don't have to provide any evidence that from where we got the income. Like we need not mention any source of income. In that, if this is the case, how RBI can trace which money is black money?
Actually, before 2005, they didn't mention any years in currency notes. After 2005 only they mentioned years. With this RBI decision, our white money turns, our black money turns into white money, and increase our economy decision. That only RBI take the decision.
So, as all we know that there is no year mention on the currency notes which are printed prior to 2005. But RBI is not asking anyone to show the source of income. Like they are asking, they have every individual who has currency notes prior to 2005, they can exchange easily with the bank, or they can use before 31st March. When they have this option, they can spend. If I have 2005 before printed money, then I can, instead of spending after April 1st, I can spend before 31st March in any kind of, I can invest in gold and all. So no one is going to ask me the source. If I have the black money and if I am investing in gold, he won't ask anything like from where you got this money, as it is prior to 2005. If it is not mentioned, everybody knows that it is not printed after 2005. Nobody can trace which money is black.
You said that we invest that money in any way, not in exchange also. But with that statement, all that black money turns into white money.
You mean all black money will
Means all the persons turns their amount into liquidation.
everyone can liquidate their funds, but the main purpose to trace black money is of no use. Like the intention to trace the black money, like there will be a flow of cash in the economy, then the economy could be developed. Like the now dollar rate is 60. If you go back to 10 or 5 years, there used to be 50. Because of holding this money, like black money, the economy is going down. They intended that black money can be curbed, but instead they can't trace a black money.
The black money is coming into the market, and the people are investing the black money into the business, in the gold, they are purchasing gold and investing in business.
Up to my Mr. Kumar.
Here our topic is why RBI banned the notes in the year 2005, before 2005. In the ban the notes, in the sense we can ban the black money, we can ban the black money. In the black money we can find it more and more. In that sense, we can remove the black money. In that, we can use positive. We can use positively. In that, why it is ban black money, in the sense why it is you ban that money, in the sense in the year 2005 we can get more forged, release more money. In that sense, it is forged more and more. In that sense, the RBI governor he got the idea. In that sense, I want to ban these notes by not forging the other notes. In that way, they are taking decisions.
Why black money turns into white money? The RBI main statement is that black money turns into white money. As Nizam said, if you not exchange that currency, invest anywhere. For that purpose only. If you invest anywhere, it's automatically the entire nation will develop. If you hold your money like in your sense means it's like a dead body. There is no use for that. You can protect that money. For that purpose only, RBI says that remove black money and turns them to white money.
In that sense, you can change into black money to white money. White money, they are go to banks and that they are shown the one identity. Then they are transferred into black money to white money. In that no need of that identity proofs and that in some people they don't have that proofs. Then how it will be useful to them?
Useful means for our nation. If you keep money in your pocket only means what's the use of that? Nothing. If you invest somewhere means we can have something. Like that only said that if you invest in any sectors, any industries, automatically the entire nation will develop. Automatically the industries develop and some corporations develop. With that only people get employed. Like with that points of only our entire nation will develop. For that purpose only RBI said like that. If money had rotated in everywhere, you can have number of incomes.
You mean this decision is mainly based on mobilization of funds?
Yes.
Like this decision made only on the foundation that this is only for the mobilization of funds. Then the black money won't be converted into white money. Like the black money, when we call it black money means the person who has that income which is liable to pay tax. He is hiding so that he can avoid tax. Like if he is avoiding tax, it is black money. And if RBI wants all who possess black money to spend, so it won't be converted into white money as they are not paying tax, by tax on it. This is a loss for the government. If the taxes are not received, there is a scarcity in the funds. Then it will affect negatively to the development of our country.
For that only RBI statement
They don't want only mobilization. You are saying that if they
I am not only focus on mobilization only. Both.
like the black money kept till now, if they want to spend based on this decision, it won't be of any use. Like government is getting nothing from that, except other than the cash flows in the economy. But there is no benefit for the government. Like I have an evidence like in 1977 in Janata Party government, under the leadership of Morarji Desai, they also tried to withdraw some higher value currency notes in 1977. But their intention was to remove black money from the economy. But this was not successful. They also have given one option that the person who possesses black money who can exchange from the banks. But as per the bank ex-banker of SBI, he told that when this decision was made, they were eagerly waiting for the persons to come with the cash and exchange the money. But that was hardly happened, according to the statement given by former SBI banker.
Okay, what you said is also actually that it's depend upon government only. The RBI not function means just formalization. If the government is good means RBI also doing all that things also good. If number of persons invest in somewhere means we can have money. To the income of our money only we can pay taxes. Automatically the government revenue also increases. Means we can provide the mobilization of our money.
But now here government is not asking about the taxes, neither the sources from where we fetch the money. They are only focused on just like if they want to ban all the currency which is printed prior to 2005, it means they are like throwing the currency notes in the sky. Like they don't want the currency notes to be burned after April 1st. If anyone wants to exchange from the bank also, no one is going to ask you about the sources. He can exchange, he can convert like if an individual has black money with him. Like if it takes only 100,000 currency notes and he has in the hand and he goes to the banker, and if he has a bank account, there is no need of providing any kind of identity. just he can go, just he can hand the currency note and he can take the new currency notes which are printed after 2005. Like in this manner, he is converting this black money to official money. Like he is not liable for showing any sources. He is converting from black to white without paying any taxes. If like government is losing here the taxes, which are to be liable on the person. I would like to have views of other topics.
Before 2005, we processed the black money as a legal tender. Or the people, the low class people are suffered a lot for that black money.
Yes, the statement is very right. As only few members, like few of the population knows about this decision about the RBI. Like other people who are there in the rural areas, they don't know about the government has RBI has banned they took a decision to ban the currency notes. How they can convert the notes? Few of them doesn't have bank accounts. They don't know about the bank functions and all. There's a panic between among the people in rural areas. They don't have any knowledge about the decision and they don't know any process to convert them also.
But they don't know coming to rural.
They don't know exactly. Like these decisions taken by RBI are not circulated all over India. Like we have many places in India there is no electricity also. We can't expect television, nor a mobile, not even newspaper. So this information doesn't pass. Like if any farmer has sold his land something and he got cash, and if in that cash, even if the 10% are from are currency notes which are printed prior to 2005, he doesn't have the knowledge that they are banned. So how can he spend that money? Now after this decision only the small business entrepreneurs, the shopkeepers, they are refusing to take the currency notes which are printed prior to 2005. There is a panic among the people.
Yeah, Hemant says, if you want to invest in the money, in that money change into black money to white money. In that sense, if you want to change in the black money to white money, in the sense, if you want to leave the black money, if you want to leave the black money. In that sense, if you leave the black money in the sense, we can see in the middle class people, poor people is there. In the peoples, there are many struggle to earn money. In that way, they are earn money. That money is maybe it is in black money. Then how it will be? It is they are very suffer for earning that money. They are very suffer for earning that money. In that way, they are more fear about that how it will be next future about this money.
As you stated, that may be a black money. Like when an individual is not sure that his money is black or white, then how RBI can?
The poor people all are not educated. They don't know how it is what is black money, what is real money. In that way, how they can identify?
Absolutely right. They can't even know the money they are processing is white or black. Then how RBI can trace? This is my question. But as far as the others who are processing black money, they got away. Like they can spend their money before 31st March. They got one exemption to spend their black money. In this process, they can spend all of their black money before 31st March. And after 31st March, they have to exchange with the bank. So, instead of going to bank for exchange, they can normally spend on anything and no one will ask them from where they got. So, this is not the right decision to curb all the black money.
Okay, so spend on anything means industries, any shares, any business. The donate income illegal. That income only the people tax to government. Automatically the government will be also increased. Means the money comes out.
Your point is right. There is some kind of cash flow in the economy. But what about the black money which is spent now without paying tax? Like there is also some kind of loss to the economy. Because of that, the dollar rate is going high, and India is facing very scarcity in the funds and inflation and all.
Dollar rate will high depending upon holding money. We can fluctuate the money means dollar rate also decreases.
We can accept that money and tax. They are giving the so many conditions like take the agent to identify that people are giving such conditions. And the people are not identified on these conditions. They are suffering.
From my point of view, new notes in security purpose is used. Why? Because new notes is coming after 2005 printed only year mentioned. After before 2005 not mentioned the year. That's why security purpose is correct.
Just printing a year on the currency note doesn't mean that they added security to the note. Like all security issues also concerned according to the RBI decision. But the point is black money can't be traced exactly with this decision. Like they are not. As main point here is the RBI wants funds mobilization, but they don't want the reason from where and how they fetch the money. So this is the problem. Like we don't know from where the government doesn't know. Like income tax department also they have one role in the theory that any income they show on the returns is liable for tax, but not there is no binding that they have to show the source of income.
You said the money is used for mobilization. In that mobilization in the sense money transfer to one person to another person. If you buy one thing from him, that money transfer from him, then he can spend for anything. That money again come with you. Then that money also same. That is mobilization. Then if you find that money, if you find the black money, then what is the use of that? That is now no useful after the April 1st. In that way, that is scrap value, like scrap value.
Okay, what is the before 2005, our money will come out to invest anywhere. You said like that. Okay, different black. But not find to black money, white money. Money will come outside and invest anywhere.
Like as you said, just you are not bothered about long here, you are not bothered about black or white. Just you want the money is coming out on us. As per decision, all the money which is written prior to 2005 will be deposited in RBI. Like if we exchange with the bank has to deposit in RBI. Then what they want to do with that? Everything will be gone with scam. There will be no value for the money after that it got exchanged. Like if we compare all the higher denominations and if we take a percentage, for example, like if we have 40% of the currency printed in 2005, all the notes are deposited in the RBI. Now this is of no use. Like these currency notes 40% of no use and they are going and it is assumed that it is a scam or absolute there is nothing to do with that currency note. So this 40% of the denominations we are going to lose by banning that the currency notes is a priority to 2005 because it is a bank and we are considered as a scam. That is of no use. And we have remaining only 60% of the cash currency notes which can be used in our country. Like when the denominations are decreasing, there is this burden on the RBI. Like they have to print more and more money in order to have cash, in order to escape from the cash scarcity. They have to print more and more money. What the principle is? When you print more money, the inflation might rise.
Money value also decrease.
You said 40% amount is scrap, but I'm not agree. How can that scrap?
Like we are RBI has taken a decision to ban. Means they're going to ban means that they don't have value to ban.
Not going to ban.
If you take a look on the topic, it is stated clearly the decision to ban. Ban is it is not eligible to ban in further future. Like if we have if it is not eligible to ban, it is of no use. We are losing just a stated example 40%. We are losing 40% of the currency notes. If we are losing, we have only 60%. So So in order to complete that deficit, we have the RBI should print money. Indirectly, they are posing like they are creating inflation.
Okay, I want to best of the amount. I want to conclude this session. RBI said before 2005 printed currency of that plan. That out to that point, the black money will turns into white money and the economy will stabilize.
RBI never intended to convert black money to white. They intended only to trace out black money who holding it. Right? They want to trace.
Yes, for the time,
My point of view, RBI decision is good.